Don't sit right after eating. That has a cost. After you eat, blood sugar rises fast. Some people feel heavy, sleepy, or foggy. This is where a short walk helps, not a punishment. Just 8 to 12 easy minutes of movement. Muscle demand gives glucose somewhere to go. After a sharp spike, 10 easy minutes can smooth your next hour. Part 1, the problem. After meals, sitting often leads to a spike and an afternoon crash. The goal is simple: smooth the curve without turning food into the enemy. Protein and fiber still matter. Sleep still matters. Weekly strength training still matters, but the post-meal walk works because it is small enough to repeat. Pick the meal that usually crashes your energy, then test a short walk after that one first. If you feel better when you move after lunch, that feedback already counts. Track weekly drift, not one perfect day. The post-meal walk works because it is small enough to repeat for weeks, not because it is dramatic for one day. Part 2 is the mechanism. Muscle demand redirects glucose traffic, and the graph becomes easier to handle. When your muscles contract, they ask for fuel. That demand helps your body handle glucose from the meal. Just 8 to 12 minutes of easy movement. You should still be able to talk. Intensity can stay low. Easy still counts compared with sitting still through the same window. The dose is deliberately small so you can repeat it most days, even on busy schedules. Weekly strength training still matters. This walk stacks on top. It does not replace progressive overload. No CGM required. Contracting muscle pulls glucose during the post-meal window for many adults. Part 3 is the protocol. Use a timer. Place the walk soon after the meal, and keep it weatherproof. Here is the protocol. After the meal that usually makes you tired, wait a few minutes. Then walk for 8 to 12 minutes. Office day? Use the hallway. Family dinner? Walk around the block. Bad weather? Walk inside. Keep the pace easy. The win is not a perfect graph. The win is fewer crash afternoons, better digestion, better mood, and a habit you can repeat. Energy beats perfection. Family dinner? Walk around the block. Tiny geography still adds demand when the meal is digesting. Bad weather? Walk inside. Pace your apartment, hit a mall haul, or take stairs once. Part 4 is the limits. Your context, your medications, and professional guidance all matter. If you use medication that lowers glucose, timing matters. Use professional guidance for your situation. For everyone else, start simple. If you use medication that lowers glucose, timing matters. For many people, the immediate win is fewer crash afternoons. Context matters. Use this video as a nudge to move more after meals, not as a replacement for care. Part 5 is the stack. Protein and fiber at meals, a short walk after eating, and better sleep at night. Start with protein and fiber at the meal, add a short walk after, and aim for better sleep later. That full routine is the stack. Good sleep improves next day appetite, insulin response, and the odds you keep the habit. Meal quality, post-meal movement, and sleep work best as one repeatable system. If this helped, next watch NEAT. Why total daily movement matters more than one hard workout. Build this into your day and your energy trend should improve week by week. Subscribe for the next Science First breakdown.